In the seventh part of the tutorial, we enter the Profit and Loss tab, where we can set the maximum daily profit, maximum daily loss, maximum weekly profit, and maximum weekly loss. Additionally, in each section, you have the option to set the profit or loss amount based on percentage, points, or dollars. For example, here I activate the maximum daily loss option, and if I try to enter a trade, it will issue a warning for me. In this warning, it tells me that I have reached the maximum daily equity stop loss for my account, and it does not allow me to enter a trade. If I change the value of this option, for example, set it to 5% of my balance, I will still receive the same warning. This is because I need to set the parameters for all three items here. I set the maximum daily loss balance based on percentage to 5%. Set the points to 1000 points, and set the dollar amount of my loss to $5,000. After that, I enter a trade, and it easily allows me to enter a trade in this section. We can set the daily profit target and the weekly loss limit in exactly the same way. For example, for the maximum weekly loss, I also activate this option so that this limit warning is issued for me in order to allow me to enter a trade. Here, I set my maximum weekly loss based on percentage at 10%, set the point amount at 5,000 points, and set my dollar loss at $2,000. After that, I click the confirm option and execute my trade. In this case, it allows me to enter the trade. If I don't need these maximum loss and maximum profit limits, I can activate or deactivate each option and use these features to limit my trades and stick to my trading plan. Well friends, we've reached the end of this part of the tutorial. I would be glad if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.